If you were asked to find the sum of n times of first odd natural numbers, what you will do? N times means n can be any number. It can be any natural number. General form of representing sum of n odd terms can be written as Sn, sum of n times. Being odd number, the first number will be 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on to n time. Nth term is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. That is the nth term. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, 2n minus 1th term. That is the nth term. Whatever the number you are giving to the n, that will be the last number. If n is 1, suppose you are giving number 1 to n, then if n is equal to 1, 2n minus 1 will be 2 into 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1. If n is equal to 2, you will get to 2n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3, you will get 2n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1, that is equal to 5. If n is equal to 10, you will get 2n minus 1 is equal to 2n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So you are getting a sequence of odd numbers from this formula 2n minus 1. So last term will be 2n minus 1. The number n can be given in the question. If you are asked to find the sum of 10 odd numbers, then n will be 10. If you are asked to find 100 odd numbers, n will be 100. Whatever it may be, it will be given by the examiner. Sum of n odd natural numbers, that can be written as Sn is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1. That is the nth term, last term. 2n minus 1 is equal to which is the last term. We know the formula of sum of n natural odd numbers. That is Sn sum of n times of odd numbers, that is equal to a plus the first term plus last term divided by 2 into n. Here first term is 1 is the first term plus last term is equal to 2n minus 1 divided by 2 into number of terms. That is the formula. This 1 plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. You will get 2n by 2 into 2. Sorry, n. Number of terms. Denominator and 2 from the denominator and numerator will be cancelled out. And finally we will get n into n, that is n squared. So we can say sum of n odd natural numbers from the beginning is equal to n squared. The formula is n squared. Now we may practice some questions. Let us go to next way. Sum of n terms of odd natural numbers from 1, that is Sn is equal to n squared. The formula has some limitations because if the examiner asks to find the sum of odd natural numbers from 15 or 21 or like that, if you directly apply this formula, the answer will be wrong. So it will be studied later. We will practice this formula for questions asked to find the sum of odd natural numbers from first number, that is 1. We will go through some examples. Here is your first question. Find the sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. Question is very clear. You have to find the sum of 10 odd natural numbers from the beginning, from number 1. Before calculating the sum of n times, we should know about the average of given times. That is the average of 10 odd natural numbers from the first number. Average is equal to a plus l, first term plus last term divided by 2. Here first term, that will be 1 because Sn is equal to asked to find 1, 3 plus 5 to 10 times. 10 the time. So first term is 1, last term is a plus n minus 1d. Using the formula we can find it by 2. A is equal to 1 plus a is equal to 1 plus n minus 1d is equal to number of times. Last term is 10th time, so it is 9d divided by 2. D is equal to common difference is equal to 2, so that we will get 1 plus 1 2 plus 9 into d, that is 2. D is 2. You get 9 into 2, 18 plus 2 is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Average of number is 10. So from the question we will get the average. Similar type of question, you will get the average directly from the question. If you are asked to find the sum of first 100 odd natural numbers, then the average will be 100. If asked to find 200 odd natural numbers, average will be 200. So if you know the average, you can find the sum of n times. That is average into number of times. Here formula is Sn is equal to n squared. N is the average into number of times, that is n squared. So here the answer is, let me delete this one. Directly we can calculate the average and sum of terms. Sn here is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 to 19th. We have found out the last number, that is 19. That is 10 times, 10 numbers. There are 10 numbers from the beginning. So number of Sn is equal to, formula is equal to n squared. It is 10 into 10, 100. 10 is average, this is average, and this is number of times. Number of times. So similar type of questions can be cleared within few seconds. Okay, here is your second question. Find the sum of first 29 odd natural numbers. Question is very clear. You have to find the sum of 29 odd natural numbers from the beginning. So the formula is S n. N is equal to 29. So we can write sum of 29 times odd times from the beginning is equal to n squared. That is 29 squared. 29 squared is equal to 841 is the answer. Average, if asking for the average, you will get the answer from question. That is 29. Find the average of first 29 odd natural numbers, then it is 29. Okay, next question. Here is your third question. Find the sum of first 100 odd natural numbers. Question is very clear. You have to find the sum of 100 odd natural numbers from the beginning. Sn, the formula is n squared. S is S 100 for 100 times. So that n squared is equal to 100 squared. That is 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. Answer is 10,000. Very clear, and within few seconds you can find out the answer. The final question is here. No more question is required to answer because you know the formula. Within a few seconds such a type questions can be answered. So this is the final question in this series. Find the average and sum of first 45 odd natural numbers. We can calculate it very fast. S 45. Sum of 45 times. That is 45 into 40 is equal to 2025. Average of numbers. Average of numbers already given in the question, so there is no need to calculate it separately. You can find how many times are asked to be summed. That is the number of times given in the question is the average. Average is 40. Now in the next video we will find the average and the sum of first even numbers. This is the trick. The average will be given in the question directly. Some can be found out by n squared, the formula n squared. Okay.